Hello again, welcome to my channel, Lucky Bamboo. Today we're gonna do a stir fry Chinese okra, and well, this is commonly known. The scientific name for this is called Laffa acute angular. Laffa acute angular, and it is commercially grown. For it unripe fruit as a vegetable. So when it's green like this, you can eat as a vegetable. But mature fruit, when it's ripe, you can use this as a natural cleaning sponge. So when it's ripe, you can use it as a sponge for cleaning. So this is very unique, weird vegetable. And it's a look like a cucumber or zucchini with the ridges right here. See the sharp ridges, and it usually grow in Central and Eastern Asia to Southeastern Asia. So it's they grown this in Asia. Most of the time they just eat it, when it's green. So when it's turned ripe, you can use it as a sponge, basically a very useful fruit here. And let's cut up the Chinese okra. See, the skin is very tough, you cannot eat it. See, so just take the vegetable peeler. Just peel it off like this. Peel off the tough skin from the outside. You cannot eat that. You can only eat the inside. So this vegetable is very sweet when you cook this. So try to get all the skin, the tough outer part out, peel as much as possible. Oh, one break off already. Cut it like that, and just vegetable peeler. Try to remove the outer part as much as all of it, because you cannot eat it. It's really hard. It's a strange looking vegetable. But it's pretty tasty. When you cook it, very tasty. It's most people, refer to it as a Chinese okra. So this looks like a cucumber or zucchini, but it just have that tough skin. Yeah, it's a little hard to use the vegetable peeler here, but that'll do. Like a sponge right here when you because it is when it's ripe, all this turn into really the everything turns to like a sponge. You could use it to clean dishes. Yeah, a lot of people in Asia use this to clean dishes when it's ripe. So it's very useful vegetable. See how soft it is? Feel like a sponge. So it look like a cucumber or zucchini. Alright, let's clean this up. And yeah, after you peel the outer skin off with the vegetable peeler, I recommend that you wash it, you know, with water a little bit. So this is how we're gonna cut in an angle like this. Look at inside right here, very spongy, but it's very tasty. I got about half a pound of beef here, so I'm gonna slice it up. Like that. You can stir fry this, most people stir fry this Chinese okra with eggs. So today I'm gonna do with beef, pork tenderloin. Let's marinate the pork tenderloin a little bit with soy sauce. Just about half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Don't put too much soy sauce in there. Alright, let's start cooking. Put in about a teaspoon of oil, not too much oil, just put about a teaspoon of oil. Okay, now let's cook the pork first. Yeah, make sure you cook the pork really well done before you... Alright, I think the pork is cooked. So let's take out the pork. Let's take it out. Put another teaspoon of oil in the pan. Put I have some chopped up garlic right here. Put it in. Just cook the garlic for a few seconds, maybe 10-20 seconds right here. No, not cook too long. You don't want to burn it. Now put the Chinese okra in. A little bit of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, not put too much. One teaspoon of chicken bouillon for flavor. About half a teaspoon of ground up pepper. Some soy sauce. About half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Alright, now you can add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Put the lid on, let it cook for a few minutes. Alright, Now put the pork back in. Put the lid back on and just let it cook for another a few minutes and it should be done. Yep, I think it's done. Let's plate it up. Garnish it up with some spring onion. So this is the final product, stir fry laffa acute angular, or commonly known as Chinese okra, with pork tenderloin. This is very delicious. You should give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching Lucky Bamboo, and if you like what you see, please hit the like button, give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please give this recipe a try. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.